I was recently offered an opportunity to work with a couple of teams from the US Department of Defense. And while I was honored, I was also ambivalent. I just wasn't sure that we would have shared values. And so I hemmed and I hawed about it. And as I was doing so, one of my friends helped me realize that if my whole thing, if my whole brand is challenging assumptions, well, then maybe I should challenge my own. And so I said yes to the gig and I traveled to Washington, D.C., and I could not have been more wrong. My assumptions were completely off base. Everyone I worked with was kind and intelligent and genuinely wanting to make the world a better place. The experience was tremendous. And it made me realize that my assumptions, even though they felt accurate and real to me, in fact, they didn't even feel like assumptions, my assumptions turned out to be wrong. This is a challenge coin. This is a challenge coin given to me by the folks at the Tang team. The Tang team is a group of people within the US Navy that uses empathy to solve real-world challenges. Challenge coins are a tradition within the military that when there's a visitor or a member of a team that does an exceptional job, they're given a challenge coin as a token of appreciation. So I take great pride in receiving my first challenge coin from the Tang team. So there you go. A little reminder that even though our assumptions can feel real, they can feel like facts, until we actually test them with real world experience, we just don't know. They can turn out to be wrong. And we can be cutting ourselves off from a lot of really great experiences. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Dan Trommater. Be well.